In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, getting your text aligned just right can make all the difference. So let's dive right in and make your slides look professional and polished. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. It's the initial step that sets the stage for everything else. Once you have it open, the next step is to navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. You might have it saved on your desktop or perhaps in a folder. Find your file and open it up. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to focus on the text you want to align. Click on the text box or the specific text area. This action ensures that PowerPoint understands exactly what element you're planning to modify. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar in PowerPoint. There you'll find multiple tabs available. Click on the Shape Format tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to adjusting and styling your shapes and text boxes. As you explore the Shape Format tab, look for the section labeled Align or sometimes Arrange. It's your go-to section for managing the positioning of elements on your slide. It typically contains various tools used to organize how objects or text align within the slide. Once you've found this section, the Align button is your next destination. Clicking on it will present a drop-down menu with several options, giving you control over the exact alignment of your text. This feature allows you to choose the alignment structure that suits your design needs best. Now it's decision time. From the options presented, you'll notice choices like aligning to the left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. Depending on your slide's content and design, choose how you would like to align your text. Aligning it centrally can offer a balanced look, but sometimes left or right alignment can fit the aesthetic you're aiming for. It's important to think about how your audience will perceive the alignment and what will serve your presentation's purpose best. And there you have it. You've just aligned your text using the tools in PowerPoint and as a result made your presentation even more visually appealing. Remember, aligning is not only about aesthetics but also about clarity and focus. Proper alignment can guide your audience's eyes where you want them to go. I hope this tutorial has helped you get comfortable with aligning text in PowerPoint. With these simple steps, you're now on your way to creating more organized and compelling presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.